What the hell is going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why I think starting a window cleaning business is a good idea. Now, why do I think this? Well, let's see. Window cleaning business. This is the business that I started about 6-7 months ago. And the reason it's a great business to start for beginners, people new to entrepreneurship, is because it's very low overhead, very low startup cost. $100, you can start this business. You buy a mop, you buy a squeegee, you buy a pole, a bucket, and soap, and then you're good to go. You are ready to start earning money. And once you have the equipment, now all you need to do is go to your city, your local city, knock on doors, businesses, and sell your service. Walk in, say, hey, my name is blah, blah, blah. I have a window cleaning business. Would you be interested in a quote? And you do that a shit ton of times. You do that a lot of times, and you start getting clients, you start getting revenue. You can start making money from the very first day. Now, there's not many businesses where you can make money from the first day. Not many businesses. Very, very few. This is one where you can do that. So if you're strapped for cash, you need to make extra money. You got to make an extra $1,000 to $3,000 a month quickly. This is a business that you can start, that you can do, a side hustle that will get you to that $1,000 to $3,000 a month very fast. Within the first couple months, you can get there. It's all dependent on how hard you hustle, how hard you go after getting clients, securing reoccurring plans, cleaning plans, and fucking getting after it. I'm just saying, I've been at it for 6-7 months. I've built out a route of a substantial amount of restaurants and different businesses, and it's only beginning. It's only beginning. And it's a very, very great way to make extra money. It's a very good way. If you're young, if you need money for whatever you're trying to invest, say you have a job, you just do this on the side, you can make an extra $1,000 to $3,000 a month with a simple service. Cleaning some freaking windows, it's so fucking easy. So think about that. That is why I think window cleaning is very easy to start a business. Yes, there is a lot of competition, but the way you distinguish yourself from the competition is you buy a polo shirt, you look clean, you have a business card or flyer, and you do a great job. You do a great job. You do what you say what you're gonna do. You show up on time. You're reliable, and that'll separate you. Just that, because most people are unreliable. Most people don't show up. Most people don't do a good job. You be the person that stands out, that is friendly, personal, does a great job, sets them up on a recurring schedule, and you will make some extra cash. Consider it. Consider this idea if you want to make some extra money. Peace.